Hello students, in today's lecture I'll discuss the best way to memorize or remember the reactivity series and the applications of the reactivity series. Welcome to your own YouTube channel Global Chalk. So students, what is reactivity series? First of all, reactivity series is a series of metal placed in decreasing order of their reactivity. So here in this picture, potassium is at the top, platinum is at the bottom. Potassium is the most reactive element, platinum is the least reactive element, and thus the order of reactivity decreases down the group. So this is what is a reactivity series. Now, there are some applications of the reactivity series for which we are required to know the reactivity series in the serial order. So, to remember this series in the serial order, I have made some mnemonics which are easy to remember, and we can memorize this series in just 1 or 1.5 minutes. So, the first sentence is, please stop calling magnet a carbon. So, by relating please to potassium, stop to sodium, calling to calcium, magnet to magnesium, A to aluminum, and carbon to carbon, of course, I can remember the first part of the series. Second part of the series can be remembered with the sentence, Zomato is leading high corporate. So, Zomato is zinc, is iron, leading is lead, high is hydrogen, and corporate is copper. The third part of the series can be remembered like McDonald's selling gold plated burger. So McDonald is mercury, selling is silver, gold is gold, and plated can be related to platinum. Thus the whole series can be remembered in just 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. Now let us discuss some applications. First application is, in some of the question I am given some elements like say calcium, magnesium or lead, and I am asked to put these in the series in which of their reactivity or electropositivity or reducing power. So the topmost element has the maximum reactivity, it has the maximum reducing power, and it has the maximum electropositivity, and it decreases down the group. So any of these properties, if I am required to put some element in some serial order, I'll use this reactivity series to answer this question. Like here, the calcium is at the top, magnesium is somewhere in between, and lead is here. So the most reactive element is calcium, the most electropositive element would be calcium, then would come magnesium, and then would come lead, because they lie in this order in the series. Second question that is normally asked is whether a metal when dipped in acid will produce hydrogen gas or not. So those elements which are above hydrogen, they will produce hydrogen gas when the metal is dipped in dilute acid, maybe HCl or sulfuric acid. In this series, carbon and hydrogen have been put specially so that the comparisons become easy, otherwise they are not metals. So another application is that if some metal is put in acid, it will liberate hydrogen if it is above hydrogen in this series. Then another important question which is frequently asked is that if a metal A is dipped in a solution of metal B, say metal A is calcium, solid calcium, and metal B is say zinc and its solution is zinc sulfate. If I put calcium in zinc sulfate solution, what will happen? Calcium will replace zinc and it will become calcium sulfate, because calcium is more reactive as compared to zinc. But if metal A is say iron and this is say again zinc sulfate, there would be no reaction because iron is below in the electrochemical series, in the reactivity series. Therefore it will not show any reaction, it will not replace zinc. So these were the few applications of reactivity series. I hope I have made the topic clear. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, share and like our channel. Thank you.